You have a very good main post, Melissa. I really like, really your third one. You said tattoos not being allowed in the workplace, and you put it's really not that big of a deal, and that there's not really much documented cases on it. And so that's a good point. When you're picking a topic, you want to think, is this really necessary? Is there really a problem? Is there a lot of documented cases where people are being turned away from jobs? And is it affecting that many people? And the answer is no, like you stated. And so that's why that would make that a bad topic. So I'm glad you put that down. Well done. And your other two, yes, those are very big topics, a little bit overplayed. So let's move on to your last three that you put down for good topics. This is the first time I've ever heard regulating the world's population, and so I do think you could argue that. But then you also have to think when you're writing a research paper, is it plausible? Is this something that feasibly could be done? Because if not, you're going to be arguing a moot point. If it is, then I say go for it. But it would be like saying, I think we should ban alcohol altogether in the United States. I'm not arguing with you and saying that that couldn't have positive impacts. However, is that feasible and is that ever going to happen? Probably not. And so you have to think with that topic, is that something that could really happen? The one you put down you want to do is the terminally ill patients. I think that's a really good topic, and it's come to light here just recently, meaning that it's not overplayed. So I think that's a good argument. And you say you have experienced both sides of the argument. So what side are you on? So you have to make sure that you really feel adamantly one way or the other on a topic. So which side do you plan on arguing? So I hope to hear from you here in a little bit.